Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a really handy process, how to share your Wix website with someone so they can help you edit in 2025. Whether you're building a site with a friend, working with a designer, or just need a colleague to help out, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to grant editing access on Wix the right way and securely. Let's jump straight into this. First things first, log into your Wix account and select the website you want to share. This might sound obvious, but double-check that you're in the exact site dashboard you want to share access for, especially if you manage multiple sites. If you're not sure, look for your site's name or use the preview feature to confirm. Once you've selected your site, head over to Settings. The Settings area is your control center for anything behind the scenes, so getting comfortable navigating here is always a good move. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find Roles and Permissions. This is where you control who can do what on your website. Think of this section like handing out keys to different rooms in a house. You want to decide who gets into which space and what they can do while they're there. Now, look for the button that says Invite Collaborators. Go ahead and click that. Wix will probably ask you to confirm you want to invite someone, so just press Yes, Continue. This extra prompt gives you a moment to make sure you're really adding someone, which is a good security measure. If you're interrupted or unsure, don't worry. You can always come back to this step. Here's the important part. You'll see a field where you can type in the email of the collaborator you want to invite. Make sure you're entering the correct email. Maybe even copy-paste it from your contacts to avoid typos. This email is what Wix will use to send them the official invite, so take a second to get it right. Next, you'll need to choose what kind of access this person should have. This is where the general roles come in. Let me break these down for you because picking the right role really matters. If you want someone to help run the website and make big decisions like managing payments and domains, admin, co-owner, is the way to go. They can pretty much do everything, except delete or transfer the site, which keeps your site safe from accidents. If you're thinking more about someone who can make changes and publish but not get into billing or move the site around, go for Website Manager. It's ideal for a trusted project manager. Now, if you're inviting a designer, select Website Designer. They can be creative and edit most parts, but can't access sensitive data like contacts or emails. Maybe you need help just with technical backend stuff. Then Back Office Manager is perfect. They'll have access to settings and apps, but they can't touch your website design. Lastly, if you've hired a writer or a content creator, the Content Writer role is spot on. It lets them update texts, links, and media, and even publish, but they won't be able to change settings or poke around in private info. Take a moment here to really consider what your collaborator needs to do. And if you're not sure, start with a more limited role. You can always increase permissions later. Once you've set the role, hit Send Invite. Wix will email the collaborator, and when they accept, they're part of your team. And that's it. You've just shared your Wix website for collaboration in a secure and organized way. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. There's lots more coming to help streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and good luck collaborating on your Wix site.